Damn. I'm getting there. Oh, wrong pocket. Sorry.
Dangerous, man. I give you guys a break as much as possible, but that you're dangerous.
I was doing 70.
You were doing 90 when you cut across, man.
I was doing 90. That guy looked like he was coming in my lane, so I just jumped over. No. If I was speeding, yes, sir. I just looked down right after I saw you and saw 70, so I thought that's how fast I was going. Shit. Damn it. Man, got me again, y'all. Dang it. Please let me go. What the hell is... Oh.
I want you to know something. For the most part, you guys get a break because I want you safe. But that was you. That wasn't somebody cutting you off. That was you doing that. So I have to do what I have to do.
Yes, sir.
Be careful, man. Listen.
Yes, sir. My perception was that they were coming over in my lane, so I just wanted to get over.
You went from here, boom.
Yeah, I was going because it looked like the guy next to me. I'm just telling you what my perception. Yes, sir.
I totally understand.
Thank you.
This isn't Collin County. The address and the phone number to the court are given. You're only saying your contact, not that you're guilty. You have the right to contest. I'm going to share this with you, okay? A few years back, there was a guy probably your age, a little younger maybe, lost both his legs here and here because he was doing the same thing, man. Please be careful.
Yes, sir.
I'll be here until you take off.
I appreciate you. Thank you. Damn it. Well, we got out of it again, y'all. Come on. Oh. Kickstand. Oh, damn it. Damn it. Damn it, we can't afford this shit. Gotta be more careful in the mornings. Golly, bro. Ah! Oh, Barcelinas, we got pulled over again. Ah, look at this thing. I'm a mess. My blinker's on, my cameras are crooked. Getting pulled over. We're running out of freaking money, dude. Oh my God. What are we doing, bro? Now I'm scared to ride fast. I'm scared there's a cop around. Checking everything. State boy got us this morning, bro. Right at McDermott. That's where we wrecked. Right lane too. So what do we learn? Stay out the right lane when we get to McDermott. There we go. I might have to just start taking it easy in the mornings. I can't, dude, I can't get another ticket. I got one sitting on deferred. You know, we're about to lose that, and both of these are going to hit our record. We're going to be paying $1 million a month on insurance. Look at this dude. He coming out. Come on out. Look, the dude on the bike up here. Let's go say what's up. What's up, bro? How you doing, man? Oh yeah, bro. Nice, dude. Yeah, blacked out, bro. Yeah, I like it. I like the low. It's short. Look good, man. Nice, dude. That thing's badass, bro. I like the pipes on it. Look at that thing. Blah, 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 blah. That helmet, though. Oh, he gonna die. Just don't wreck, bro. All right. Oh, shit. I can't even say I'll slow down a little bit because I was doing 90. I mean, that is me slowed down. I should have made that cop chase me a little bit, huh? Should have made him earn it. I didn't want to piss him off. You saw him when he got out. He was kind of like, he gets out, he goes, I normally cut guys a break. He immediately says that. I usually cut guys a break, but not you. I'm like, yeah, but why you even tell me that? Why? He didn't really catch me doing nothing too bad. I mean, think about it. What did he catch me doing? One of these? Like, bro, I was trying to get away from somebody. That's what I told him. There was somebody trying to kill me. I was trying to get away from him. Thank you. Whoa. Whoa. God dang, bro. A spirited ride home. Haven't not learned anything from this morning. Look at this thing. It looks like somebody painted it with house paint. That fiberglass top looks like it would freaking make you itch. Bro, this thing's gonna fall apart, bro. Oh, but it's got AC, look. Nice, bro. Bro, Texas is that bad. Your truck looks like that, but the AC works because you'll die driving it. I want it now. Oh my god, dude. Golly, bro. Aggravating as shit. This dude's a Collin County College campus cop. Fuck him. I wouldn't even stop if he turned his lights on. He's speeding too. Cows. Ooh, quiet around the cows. Remember Bossalinas? Hey, cows. Hey, cows. Quiet around the cows. All right, Bossalinas, I love you guys. Yes. Tomorrow's gonna be a better day, but today wasn't so bad. I mean, dude, it's only money. And if this channel would take off, it wouldn't even matter. But YouTube's got their foot on my head. All right, Bossalinas, love you guys for the 15th time.